6.1-inch high-definition large screen, perfect interaction. Aluminum alloy brushed panel, 3D technical interface. Integrated design, water and electricity separation, safer and more stable, modular design, easy assembly and after-sales maintenance.
Here comes our items preparation. Gel, hand sanitizing gel, alcohol pads, goggle eye shade, disposable razor, gloves, line pen, gloves, container for gel. Next we introduce the operation procedures. First, sign the informed consent by the patient. Exclude contraindications and inform patients of postoperative precautions and possible problems. And next step is to draw lines. Then take a picture before the operation, so that the effect can be compared. Finally, clean hands and shave hair. After shaving, a supply can be used before the operation to reduce pain. During the treatment, we adjust the parameters first, then select the skin type and operation area. Now we are going to make the treatment on the lower leg. We can see the interface shows a recommended parameter, which can be for skin testing. Please remind that the patient put on the eye shade, and the operator put the goggle on. Firstly, apply gel on the operation area to protect the skin. The thickness of the gel should be 2-3 millimeters. And then clean the treatment head before the operation. Now we can see some frost on the cooling head. It can improve the operating comfort and avoid burning skin. Generally speaking, the temperature of the handle defaults to 4 degrees Celsius, and the temperature can be lowered according to the patient's feeling. Then we choose a specific area for light spot testing. Now we start the skin test, and need to wait for 5-10 minutes, and then to see if we can reach the endpoint reaction. The root of the thick and robust hair follicle may exhibit mild pimples or edema-like reactions. The fine hair follicle may appear slightly red or experience a mild tingling sensation. After the skin test reaches the endpoint reaction, the large area treatment can be started. When operating, note that the treatment head should be vertically attached to the skin and properly pressurized to avoid light leakage. Then slide according to the frequency. During the treatment, remember to ask the patient how they feel. If the patient feels uncomfortable, the energy should be adjusted in time. And operating method is swiping along the direction of the hair follicle. Slide on each part about 6 to 8 times, but if a suitable reaction occurs earlier than 6 to 8 times separation, the treatment can be stopped. When sliding, the last and next light spots can overlap by 1/3 to ensure that each part absorbs enough energy. At the same time, ensure that the gel is sufficient. If the gel is moved to other areas, it should be removed back to the treatment area. We can also control the sliding speed according to the light emitting sound. The sliding method usually uses the cross method, such as sliding 3 to 4 times vertically, and then sliding 3 to 4 times horizontally. When there is residue or hair sticking to the treatment head, we need to wipe it off in time to ensure normal light output and avoid skin burns. When all the treatment areas have reached the endpoint reaction, the treatment can be ended. For example, erythema appears at the root of the hair follicle, and the skin is reddish and slight heat, indicating that the endpoint has been achieved, and the treatment can be ended. Now, we can see that erythema has appeared on the patient's skin, which proves that the endpoint reaction has been reached. So the treatment can be stopped.